So my little thermometer reads about 67 degrees outside right now. So when we open up these valves, we should be close to 67 pounds on our gauges. So let's take a look here and see. All right, I'm just going to open up these valves on the fittings, and I'll let you take a look here at what our gauges read. Okay. So all you got to do, we'll start with the low side here. I'm going to open it up, open the valve. All you got to do is open it until that needle moves. Okay, so I'm opening it, spinning it open right now. And let's see, there it goes. All right. So right now that reads just over 50 pounds. Okay. I'll go ahead and open up the red one as well. It's going to be the same as this one, but I'll just let you see it. Okay, so I'm going to go down to my red one. Start opening it up. It's just turning the valve on top of the fitting. There it goes. Now it's open. That's all you got to turn it. And it reads as well just above 50 pounds right there. So 50, just above 50 there. Just above 50, so I would say call that 52 pounds. Just above 50 there. So those pressures, with the vehicle not running, the compressor's not on, it's not spinning, shows 52 pounds. And like we said, the outside temperature, it reads 67 degrees outside. So right there, it's low. It's low on refrigerant. I haven't even started the vehicle up and I already know that it's low on refrigerant. Okay. So that's a quick little way to find out, you know, what kind of relationship you have with the refrigerant. Is it low? Is it possibly overcharged? But right now, the numbers don't add up. The pressure in the system is lower than it should be. So our next step, well, that should tell us maybe there's a leak in the system. Okay, why is it low? Maybe it wasn't full the first time. Maybe it's just got a slow leak. Okay, that would lead you to your next steps in your diagnosis. All right, so there you go, quick tip.